action clutch. Guys, sorry for the raggedy ass hair, but basically finally doing the clutch again, to that action clutch that I showed you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I've gone and done so far. So we took off the turbo manifold, wheels. Right now I'm taking off the T-bracket. I took off the cables. I'm gonna redo this drain line because it's basically leaking from down there because it's really stiff. I just used an old one that I had and it fit, but it's so stiff it's leaking down there. And then this one here, it's leaking a little bit, as you can see, radiator. So we'll go ahead and check that out after we get things done. I was gonna do a pressure test on the motor, but I completely forgot the compression test and I didn't want to go back. I just wanted to get this done. So if I do end up putting it in and do a compression test, yeah, my dumbass is gonna most likely have to take it out again. But I mean, the motor seems really healthy, so I see no point. I should be good. So yeah, basically right now this is where I'm at. Go ahead, T-bracket, axles, and then pull down the transmission and change the clutch. And hopefully it doesn't take too long. I'm trying to get this done early so we can sort of get started on this coupe here too, on the turbo kit. If not, go spend some time with the family. Caught it. Now clutch time. light thread lock.
No, I'm talking on there. Is the gun somewhere around there? Is the gun somewhere around there? Where's the big one? Small one. Gotta clean them all up by hand first before you torque them down.
Guys, so basically almost have everything. The only thing I need to do is the intercooler piping and downpipe. I'm gonna go ahead and try to turn it on and see if maybe all the gears and the tranny and everything all works good, because if it doesn't, then that means I probably have a transmission issue and the CRV is gonna be down again. But let's hope it doesn't. I mean, before the clutch was like super soft, and with this one here it's like stupid hard. So hopefully everything's good. Checking the lights still on. I still have the issue, so I don't know what the hell's going on. Maybe not. That goes in good. But be a super hard clutch to get used to. Man, this thing grabs like crazy. I think I might have to adjust my thing, because it grabs just right at the tip, and look, that barely let go, and it already wants to go. And that's gonna be like super hard to get used to, but I'm checking with my buddy, see how we can do this. But damn, this clutch just grabs. But I'm glad now I don't have issues with it going into gear. It goes in right off the bat. Let me get this thing to adjust. See, before it used to be just super hard to get in, and now it's like in super hard. Now it's in, and the tune just bad. I'm gonna have to see if I can find like a K24 turbo map on data and use that for a while, see if how things change. But definitely this tune is no good. Well, supposedly the tune we got, but that's good that the gear goes in good now and everything. I just gotta get this sucker tuned now. I'm gonna go on next Sunday with my buddy. He's gonna get tuned, and I'll probably head over there with them, talk to the tuner, and if he has time, I'll freaking smash back, tow this thing to the dyno and have him tune it, because I definitely need a car and I don't have any time right now. Just have him tune it right off the bat. So, but I'm just glad the gear goes in good now from what it looks like. Let's try it again. Yep, like butter. Glad everything worked out. Time to put the intercooler piping, bumper, and wait for a tune, I guess. I sort of did a jaggy rig for the throttle cable. Cut it, made it shorter. And you guys can't see, let me see if I can. And that's basically what I did right there. Cut it, drilled a hole through the original one, put it in, put one of those little clamp ties, and I'm getting about 100% throttle, so it's working. The first time I tried it, it just snapped off, so I had to do it out here, and it worked. So I'm glad we're making 100% throttle, which is the main thing, and we're good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the intercooler piping on and get her done. Hey, what's up guys? So basically this is the next day. I didn't get too much of the rest of the video, and I didn't get to finish the CRV either. So basically all I did was put some of the intercooler piping back on, downpipe and all that basically finished. The only thing I need to do is put the bumper back on and the cold side of the intercooler piping. Basically didn't go to work today because I wasn't feeling good, and we didn't have a babysitter for my son, and he's not feeling good either, so basically I had to stay home. But basically, yeah, I mean, this is pretty much gonna be the end of the video for. So yeah guys, this is it. K-tune 4-bar map sensor was basically the last thing I need to get the car tuned. So yeah, and that's gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys like it, and I know I didn't get too much content. Well, I did a little bit, but that's gonna be it. So I'll see you guys. Peace.